If you're looking forward to creating a landing page, either you want to use it for lead generation to promote a particular product or services, one of the things that you want to ensure is that the landing page you're creating is looking very neat and professional so that you can get the actual result that you need. And using a theme that is specifically designed for landing page will go a long way in helping you achieve that. And that's why in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best landing page WordPress themes that you can find on the internet. These are themes that I've taken my time to sort them out accordingly, and they also come with great demos that will make your landing page creation process much more easier. So if that interests you, do make sure you watch the video till the end. And all the links to all the themes I'll be sharing with you, I'll leave them in the description of this video alongside and awesome benefits that I also want to share with you in the course of this video. So if you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. It's absolutely free to subscribe. So go ahead and click on that subscribe button right now to subscribe to the channel. So thank you very much if you have just done that. If you are still here too, so go ahead right now, just click on that subscribe button. All right, so with that, now let's head over to the video. So let's look at the best landing page WordPress theme. Number one on our list is called Page Boats. Okay, so here is the theme here, Page Boats. Now to come over to this page, like I said, you'll find a link in the description of this video. So once you want to go with any of the theme, once you're on the page like this, so you see this option to add to cart. All right, so here once you click on add to cart, you'll be able to purchase the domain, check out, and then you might also need to create an account in the process. Okay, all right, so now let's explore Page Boats. You can see landing page WordPress theme. I also want to mention that this landing page theme I'll be sharing with you, it also comes handy if you are looking forward to create a one-page website. All right. Okay, so now looking at this now, it has about 200 plus widgets and then over 2,500 template blocks. So if you scroll down to look at some of the features, so let's look at the link preview. If I should check the live preview rather. So you can see it comes with awesome demos. So you can see it here. These are the demos. If you want to check out any of the demos, you can just click on it. I won't be clicking on it so that we won't just spend too much time on it. But you can see it has different types of demo that you can use. This is for business or digital products. We have for ebook. So if you are looking forward to promote a particular ebook, you can use this demo. It comes very handy. Investment, fintech, e-learning, lead. So if you want to get lead, all right. So that's one of the things about landing page, either to get leads or to promote a product. So this is for software as a service, mobile app, you can see social media. So yeah, a lot of things that this offers. One-click demo import, global fonts and colors and the likes. So if you scroll down, this is what the inner pages looks like. So that means if you want to have it as a multiple page, okay, so you can see what the inner pages demo actually looks like. And if you're a fan of Elementor Page Builder, this theme actually works with Elementor Page Builder so that you can use that to create all the pages. If you scroll down, you're going to see more features about this theme. You can see it enjoy 230 premium widgets. So some of these widgets, you'll find this within Elementor dashboard, but theirs will come with some little difference and little difference rather. Okay, so these are templates for other sections that is available when you purchase the theme. So that's the first thing that comes highly recommendable. It's called Page Boats. Again, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video. So the next on our list is called Web On. Okay, this is another great landing page WordPress theme from Mikado Themes. So if you scroll down to check out some of the features, now all these themes also works with WooCommerce. So if you want to add WooCommerce to it, maybe you want to use it to sell a particular product too, so that they can just come on the landing page and then purchase a particular product. You can do that with this theme. So this is for, it's a $5, so you can see it here. Now let's check out the live preview for this theme. So these are the demos that is available. So you can see that this is for fitness. This is a demo for fitness. This is a demo, another particular demo. You can just tweak this, turn it around to whatever that best fits. And then this is a product presentation. Okay, so maybe you want to use it to promote a particular product. For example, now this is for sneakers. You can, if you like this template or this theme, you can just import it and maybe use it for other products too. Okay, and this is for food. They call this split slider showcase, project management, product slider. You can see different demos available, so you can choose any of these theme either based on the demos, based on the design, or based on one or two features about maybe based on the page builder. Okay, so you can see this works with remarkable plugin, contact from 7, WPML, Elementor, WooCommerce, Slider Revolution, and the likes. Okay, So you can see fully responsive design. So all the things I'll share with you, they are very responsive. That means they work well on all kind of device, either mobile, tablet, or desktop view. Okay, so this is what the inner pages looks like. So that is if you are using it to create multiple pages. Okay, so if your landing page or what you want to use it for will have multiple pages, you can see there are demo content for the inner pages, and this is what they actually look like. So that's it on the second one, web one. So if this interests you, you can find a link to it in the description of this video. So if you're finding value, guys, just give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe also. So the third one on our list is called Anaton. Anaton is another great landing page WordPress theme, and this comes with 8 multi-page demo plus 8 one-page demo. Like I said, you can use the theme to create a one-page demo landing page or a multiple page. Okay, so this is less than the previous one. This is cost about $39. So let's take a look at the live preview for this theme. So you can see it here. These are the demos. You can sort it out based on multiple page, based on one page, and based on the dark layout. Okay, so this is a demo for SaaS landing page. This is for software, and this is for SaaS marketing, for app, chatbot, AI writer, and the like. So these are the 8 demos that is available. So in terms of features also, if you click on features, so these are the features that is available when you decide to purchase the theme. Speed optimization, easy to customize, Google Fonts, unlimited call option, you used SEO, clean code. Okay, so you should be expecting a fast website when you use this particular thing. All right, so this also works with Elementor Page Builder. All right, so it also has its own documentation, it has video tutorial, and then it also has live chats. All right, so you should be sure of getting a good support when you purchase this particular theme. All right, so here's the third one. So the fourth theme that comes highly recommendable if you are looking forward to create a landing page or a one-page website is called Nessus. All right, so for this now, so you can see fully responsive design, 3 awesome home styles, retina ready graphics, okay, SEO friendly, W3 validated. All right, so now let's also check out this the preview of this, and starting with the demos. So you can see these are the demos here. So they can just give it different names, but this is what the demo looks like. So this is good if you are looking forward to creating multi-sites. Okay, you can see this has a blog section. Now these demos, like I said, we are looking at landing page, and landing page most times is always a single page. Okay, but you can also use it for all the other things. If this also works for you, you can also have a shop, okay, or a store within your landing page if that is what you want. So this is what the contact page looks like if you are creating a multi-page kind of landing page. All right. Right, so that is it, guys. If you want to just get this theme, again, you find the link in the description. So once you're on this particular page, you just click the option to add to cart and you'll be able to purchase the theme. So next on our list is called ProLand. All right. So ProLand theme, you can see this is a creative WordPress WooCommerce single product landing page theme. So if you are looking forward to sell a single product, this comes highly recommendable. So let's check out the live preview for this theme. So here are the demos. So you can see it here. Just like it says, if you're looking forward to sell a single product, so you can see it here. This is a particular demo here. Maybe you just want to add a video. So if you want to check out the demo in full, you can just click on it to open it and see what it looks like. So if you want to use this to capture their emails, this one you want to make them to pay at once. Okay, and these are different designs that you can have. All right, so this is having wristwatch as a product. If your product is something else, you can also make use of this theme. Just make sure you just put in your product. Okay, so this comes highly recommendable. Okay, if you are looking forward to sell a product, just maybe a single product, okay, I can recommend this particular theme to you, ProLand. Okay, and it comes for $34. It's currently on sales. Okay, so do make sure you check it out. All right, so next on our list is called Europe. So this is one of my favorites also. Elementor marketing landing page with responsive theme. So now let's before we check out the live preview, so you can see if you see some of the features. You can see it works with Elementor Page Builder and WP Bakery. So if you're a fan of WP Bakery, okay, so you can also consider this particular theme. It comes with WooCommerce. It works well with WooCommerce. All the themes actually works well with WooCommerce. That's some pre-made template, SEO friendly, and every other features. So now let's go ahead and check out the the live preview. So checking out the demos now, you can see the demos. This is perfect landing page. This is what the landing page is supposed to look like, especially if you are using it to capture leads. Okay, so you can see there's different options here to capture leads, maybe just email, and then maybe you want to have their name, email address, phone number, and the likes. So you can see this is looking perfect for a landing page. Okay, so maybe you want to sell or you want to capture leads. Okay, this comes highly recommendable. All right, so the name again is called URIP. You'll find a link to it in the description of these videos. All right, so before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinja to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinja is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are three plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember you're also going to be getting some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25, and in terms now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right, so once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here you see your summary here. Now the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinja. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinja is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right, so now let's continue with our video. Next one is called Smartic. Smartic, this is for products. Okay, so if you're looking forward to sell products, remember I showed you one earlier, the ProLand. So here is another one that comes highly recommendable. This comes with 56 pre-built demo. All right, so now let's take a look at some of the demos. You can see it's an outstanding products landing page theme. So these are, so let's check out the demos, view all demos. So you can see it here. So you can see the demos are well designed, well laid out. So this is for electric kettle. Like I said now, if you are looking for, if you like any of this, or maybe anyone that best fits, you can just make use of them, even if your product is different, okay? So like this is for burger. If you have something maybe in the food that you want to promote, you can make use of this particular theme. Just change images to yours. So this is for soft pillow, sunscreen, natural spices. Okay, so there are different demos that you can actually work with. So this is for Blender. You can also use this to promote any other electronics or gadgets. Okay, all right. So the layout will really make your design much more easier. All right. So this is for bike, coffee maker. Okay, so I'm just looking at them randomly. So you can see there are a whole lot for you to actually work with. Okay, all right. So everything you need for an awesome landing page, okay, so you find it within this particular theme. All right, so that is called Smartic. Don't forget that's the name, Smartic. All right, so we've looked at, I think, 7 themes right now. So the last one on our list is called Apilo. Okay, so this is the last one, Apilo landing page theme. So this comes with a whole lot of demos. You can see 114 demos, okay, and it works with Elementor Page Builder and RTL ready. So the meaning of this RTL ready means if you are looking for to create your website from using right to left language, maybe like Hebrew or Arabic, or maybe it's English also, but you want to have that right to left design, this thing works with that particular features. So now let's check out the live preview. So you can see it here. Here are all the demos. You can, because demos are so much, you can actually sort them based on some of these categories. Okay, and if you want to view all, so you'll be able to see all the demos. You can see it here. So if you scroll down, you see all the demos that is available to you. Okay, so there are about 114 of them. You can take your time to just go through everything. So some of these demos, you can use it to create a single page or to create a multi-page. Okay, it will definitely works. It will definitely work for you. All right. So guys, these are the things that I want to share with you. Again, we looked at page boards. We look at Webon, Anaton, Nessus, single product. That's the Pro Land. We look at URIP. We look at Smartic, another product landing page. And then we looked at Apilo. So let me know which of this theme you'll be going for in the comment section, and let me know what kind of landing page are you looking forward to create. Are you looking forward to create a landing page or a single product website? So guys, I hope you find value in this. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. Again, I'll leave a link to these themes in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to check out Hostinja. I'll also leave a link to that so that you can take advantage of the 73% discount plus the free domain you are going to be getting courtesy of Hostinja. So guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.